Hello my dear traders, today I want to break down an indicator that can truly be called multi-tool, perfect for both beginners and experienced traders. Sounds interesting? Then let's get started. But before we start, let me remind you about my Telegram channel where you will find signals, insights, and a little peek into my daily life. So let's get started. Alright, let's start by setting up our indicator. The best settings are 5, 16, and 9. These are the most comfortable, and now we are ready to go. Let me find a suitable currency pair first. Okay, I'm about to open a buy trade, just waiting for the current candle to close. And done. The trade is open. Just so you know, I'm using a 1 minute time frame with 1 minute expiration. So now let me explain why I entered this trade. It's actually very simple. As I said, Max is a multi-tool, and we can see that its bar indicate an upward trend. So we also have a crossover of moving averages, and the price is already moving up on the chart. So this confirms that the signal was accurate, and in this moment we will be securing our $276 profit. So MACD can also be combined with trend indicators like zigzag, super trend, or vortex. This helps when the market situation isn't completely clear, but in this case everything was obvious, and that's why our profit is already in the bag, guys. So now I need to find another currency pair so I can show you different setups. Alright, here is an interesting setup, and I'm entering a buy trade. So we can see that about 2-3 minutes ago a buy signal appeared. The price has crossed the zero line, and our moving averages have crossed, all confirming an upward trend. So even though the start of the trade might look a bit nerve-wracking, I actually like this setup, and soon you will see why. But before we continue, let me remind you, always use risk management. Never, even with a proven strategy, go all in on a single strategy. So meanwhile, our trade is already moving into profit, just 6-7 seconds left. And yes, as you can see, the signal played out perfectly, and I'm confident that the price will continue upward. But I will switch to another currency pair to show you something else. And this setup worked 100% as expected. Okay, here is another perfect example of what MACD signal can catch. So we crossed the zero line and the price shot up sharply. Alright, it looks like this will be my third trade for today. This setup is similar to the last one, so I want to show you how to add trend indicators. But first, let's go over the basics again. So we see the zero line crossover, the moving average crossover, and price moving up. Here is our crossover, and here is a zero line. So we can see that the bars are increasing. And now how we can add a trend indicator to enhance this setup? Let's turn on zigzag. I really like how it works. And look at the candle where zigzag stopped moving downward. This suggests that the price is likely reversing, and MACD served as a perfect filter for our zigzag. Okay, based on the MACD signal, I can confidently say that the price will likely continue moving in this direction, and our zigzag will adjust accordingly. And just like that, our third trade has closed in profit. So I think that's a good place to wrap things up. Guys, what a great session. I really enjoyed trading while explaining the strategy, but remember, always combine proper analysis with risk management, and success will come sooner than you expect. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Take care and trade smart.